Hey friend, welcome to today's vlog. It's been a minute. Happy holidays. Hope you're enjoying yourself wherever you are. Today's vlog is actually sponsored, so I'm just gonna get this right out of the way for you. Today's vlog is sponsored by YesStyle. They sent me their 11/11 Singles Day makeup set, and it's actually really convenient because I'm planning a holiday shoot and I wanted to test out the makeup look. My birthday is on Tuesday, so I'm planning on taking the photos and hopefully posting them on that day, but we'll see. Every time I wear red lipstick, I feel like Miranda sings. Anyways, YesStyle is a Korean brand. They carry apparel, cosmetics, accessories, all sorts of really cute stuff. So check the link in the description. I will have a discount code for YesStyle, and they have sent me actually some really cute items for future videos, so look out for those. Thanks YesStyle for hooking it up. The rest of the vlog should just be like hanging out. Just walked Alpha. Oddly, have had a lot of people ask for some advice on Instagram DM. So I did a call out on Instagram stories asking for whoever would like some advice, and I'd love to have some of my friends tell me I give good advice. So the vlog will have a little bit of that, and it's just a little bit of everything. So sit back, relax. It's lovely to be here with you. Get a cup of tea if you'd like, and away we go. I just took an impromptu trip to the Irvine Spectrum. I'm just waiting for the food to get here. But I also did a little shopping, a little trip to Lush. I'll show you that later. And then when I get home, I'm gonna read some questions and we're just gonna have a really great time. So yeah, I'm really excited. Also, I got this peach bath bomb and it's so sparkly. It's literally the peach emoji. I'm so like pumped to try it and just have like a nice bubble bath night. So that is on the menu. And eat this vegan ramyeon. Okay, it's time to get into this makeup test. So
don't you keep me waiting, losing patience. All I'm saying, I just need a minute of your attention, loving.
So this is the lovely Peach Sea Peach Glow makeup base. Smells amazing.
Too much, I don't really give two fucks. If I had enough time, I'd phone a lifeline. Tell my Mary just to call your ass up. I'm over bad luck, I need a good girl. I want a real one to change my whole world. And I'm thinking you could be that. Baby, you the one for me, better believe that. I don't got time to waste, don't waste my time. If you gotta go.
Oh yes, browse, 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 browse.
And like that 90s rock song, I was thinking we should save tonight. Let me pump the brakes, Joe Budden with it. Girl, you pump me up, I'm yelling, let's get it. I don't really know where we headed. You were my best friend and the best ended. Don't you keep me waiting, losing patience. All I'm saying, I just need a minute of your attention, love and affection. Make that connection. I just need a minute of your time. I just need a minute of your time. I just need a minute of your time. Hey, we should break the rules, baby. Don't tell yourself that you got shit to do, baby. Skirt, skirt, in a coupe, room for two, baby. And look, I got all the moves, baby. Hey, 1 minute, all I need is one. Yeah, show you that with me is a dog. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, who else makes faces when they're doing makeup? I feel exposed right now. And then this beautiful little palette. Coringco ShabamShabam eyeshadow palette. Loved the colors here. You can dress them up or dress them down, and the shimmer is no joke. It really had some staying power.
Don't you keep me waiting, losing patience. All I'm saying, I just need a minute of your attention, love and affection. Make that connection. I just need a minute of your time. 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 I just need a minute. I need 60 seconds, baby. Yeah, you know you drive me crazy. Yeah, I just need to be by your side to side. 60 seconds.
This eyeliner is also from YesStyle. It's the MacQueen waterproof pen eyeliner. And next time I do do an eyeliner look, I will definitely be using this product. It was really great.
Gianni Kyle. First team, bitch. It's a wrap.
And this cotton blush was such a beautiful rosy color. It's the Missha Cotton Blusher. I usually do a nice rose color, so this was similar to what I usually wear. So you can't see here, but I will probably put some more pearls near my eyebrows to add a more editorial look to the style. I was going out after this, so where I was going, I didn't want to be too editorial. Kind of didn't jive with what was happening, but I'm feeling the pearls. I was worried that they wouldn't work, but I ended up gluing them on with eyelash glue, and it worked really nicely. Lasted all day.
So here's the final look. What do you think of it? And here is a close-up of all the goodies from YesStyle. Thanks so much, YesStyle, and thank you for watching. Up next is the questions and answers from Instagram DMs. If you haven't been to Long Beach yet, I definitely recommend going. So the first question from Instagram. Hi, Victoria. You are a twin, right? I follow your sister on YouTube and wanted to hear your perspective on things. I am a twin myself, and we went and wanted to pursue school together. Went through school together, but she gave up, and shortly after, so did I. We still remain so close, but do you ever feel any sort of resentment or shoulda, coulda, wish attitude? I've been struggling with this and wonder sometimes, and I admire your strength and fruition. Well, first of all, thank you so much for your message and happy holidays. As for the twin question, I am not a twin, but it's very fascinating that you are. So how is the twin life? In terms of resentment, I can very genuinely say to you, I do not have any. And my best advice to you is to live your life on your own terms. You are you, regardless of anything else, and no one else can be you. I understand that people are very close with their family and their friends, but they can't live your life for you. Only you can. So you have to enjoy what makes you you. And if you haven't really discovered what that is yet, there's no time like the present. So figure it out. Get messy. Try something new. Put yourself out there. You never know until you try. And I definitely encourage you to live your most authentic life. Thanks so much for your question. I hope that helps, and wishing you the best on your journey. Next question was, what has been the most difficult thing you've had to overcome while in California? Basically, being out here, the most difficult thing has been being from another country. You only really know what you know. You know, we're always constantly learning, and just because I'm from somewhere else, there's, been issues that arise, and it's like I'm jumping through hoops to figure things out, whereas if I was a U.S. citizen, it would be a lot easier. So that has been especially daunting sometimes. We all wish some things could be easier, but they're not. But, it has been a really rewarding experience. If anyone has any questions on what it's like to be an international student in the U.S., I would love to help. So feel free to hit me up on DMs or in the chat. Drop a comment anytime. You're more than welcome. But otherwise, there's been good times. There's been bad times. But overall, I'm really grateful to be here. And it's been an epic journey so far, to say the least. So thank you for your question. And then the last question I'm going to cover, there was another one. I'm not going to go through that one this time around. We'll answer that in a different medium, maybe talk about that and elaborate a little bit further. But the last question here was, should you still go for something even if you know there's no point or that you're going to get rejected? So personally, I feel if you're going to get rejected, like, who cares? There's been more than one occasion where I've put myself out there and looked like a silly person. But, the worst that you can hear is a no. And that's no different than from where you are now. A no is a no. A no is not even a no. It's a maybe. It's a change your path, change your way of thinking. And like we said earlier, like, you really just don't know until you try.
So I would implore you to figure out what it is exactly that you want and just go for it. You only have one life, so you got to live it. And even if you look silly, you just got to go for it because you never know. You just never know. So good luck. Happy holidays. Thanks so much for watching this video. Take a peek at my Instagram if you haven't already. Some new Instagram reels will be dropping within the next week or so. If you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. I'll see you guys soon. Take care.